have with us former India skipper who captained India in the 1992 World Cup, 1996 World Cup and 1999 World Cup, Mohammed Azharuddin, who is the tallest candidate in the Jubilee Hills constituency for the upcoming Telangana polls. Otherwise, three last quick questions. As you are funding the elections, India is also in the semi-finals, unbeaten. And unbeaten Rohit Sharma led team, 9 out of 9 wins. They did on New Zealand. Are India favourites to win the World Cup?
I think India is very favourite to win the World Cup. You know, the way they are playing, you know, I mean, they have good combination. The batting is good, fielding is good, and then the bowling is good. All the departments are playing. All the departments are in sync. And hopefully, inshallah, in our Jubilee's constituency, everybody pulls up together. We will win with the big margin.
Jai Congress! Jai Congress! Jai Congress! Assam Gurtuge! Jai Gurtuge!